Second thing is, in our praying, we should not be centered on self, but we should be centered on Jesus. So, St. Ignatius, whom we are going to contemplate very soon, reflect on his life, he looked at what God was doing in his life and being present to Jesus and how Jesus was doing things. So the more we look at Jesus, the more like him we will be. I just want to tell you a small story. I know time is flying fast. There was a prince and he was with a crooked back. Nice, beautiful child, but with a crooked back. So all the doctors were called in saying what operations we have got to do so that his back will remain still. One of the doctors came and said, make a nice statue of this young boy with straight body and looking handsome. And it was done. So he was kept in the garden, and as people were passing by, they were saying, oh, if only our young prince would look like this statue, how wonderful it would be. And you know what happened to him? He started looking at this statue every day, and by, he also became straight. And he heard people say, yes, our prince, do you notice that? He's changed. He's becoming more and more like this statue. He was so bent, now he's become straight. My dear sisters and brothers, in our prayer, we have to look at Jesus, not at ourselves. Most of the time we spend looking at ourselves. Look at Jesus. And that's what St. Ignatius has taught us. Don't focus on self. Focus on Jesus, because Jesus is my life. We are all cells in his body. So let us become the genuine person that we are meant to be in Jesus. And the third thing, let us not stint in giving. When we give, God will bless us evermore. And so many of you have had this experience. Let us thank God for these teachings that he has given us. And let us ask him for the grace to always remain fixed on him, allowing him to do what he wants, so that in him we bring greater glory to the Father.